Have you ever had one of those days? Well, I've had one. I volunteered to do something and took on probably a little bit more than I could handle today. I had my kiddos with me. I had my granddaughter on my hip and my grandson in the background. But I'm going to go ahead and throw together a quick Crockpot meal. This is super easy. I've got half of a pork loin here and I've got 6 pieces of bacon. I just laid them on top and I'm gonna wrap them around and put them in my crock pot, which has already been oiled. If I can get it in here all nice. There we go. Let me wash my hands. Now we're gonna take some barbecue and we're just gonna pour this on top. Let me shake this up. This is actually my husband's favorite barbecue. It's Kentucky bourbon by Private Selection. I don't know if you've seen this in the grocery store, but we love this. Now I can't have this, I can't have this at all, but this is for my husband, and I'll probably just eat a turkey burger or something. And Carson's here with us today too. And I'm probably gonna use about half of this bottle. And yes, I'm having some afternoon coffee. Whew. You're going to cook this on high for about 4.5 hours. And once this is done, I'll be back and I'll show you what else I'm gonna do. So it's been 4.5 hours and I've got a baking dish and I went ahead and I oiled that down with some olive oil. And we are going to get this out. Oh, this smells heavenly. But I can't have it. And I've been so long without it, it really doesn't bother me, but it does smell good. Now I've got 2 spatulas and I'm gonna try really hard to lift it out of here without tearing it all to pieces, which may be a chore. Okay, just go ahead and lift it out, put it in that baking dish. Now that we've got that out of the crock pot, we're just gonna baste this with some more barbecue sauce, just like this. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven on broil for about 5 minutes to caramelize that Kentucky bourbon barbecue sauce that I put on here. Have you ever eaten a pork loin like this? It looks so good. My grandson and my husband are going to devour this. I hope all of you have a great weekend.